In this video, we're going to discuss why reducing friction during a phone call matters and how you can achieve that through different platforms. If you don't already know me or you haven't been watching my videos, my name is Brett Wallace. I've been building out AI voice automations and conversational AI and just AI automations in general for 6 months now. The primary goal of Agents Discovery is to take everything you're currently doing and put that at scale, whether it's an email, a phone call, text message, updating a system, whatever the use case may be. And so that's where we're going to get into the use case. Reducing a call friction with these agents can be tricky and a little not straightforward. And I think 11 Labs makes it the most straightforward I've seen in any agent builder I've used. I've used Vappy, Synthflow, Bland, Retail, and VoiceFlow as of recording this, and from the last time I checked, they don't have what are called system variables. Some of them do have system variables, but 11 Labs has the best. And what do I mean by the best? So these three right here, this is a prompt or an agent I've built for an insurance company. The goal here is to book a meeting on a pre-qualified caller on his calendar, and then he talks to that pre-qualified lead. Now these three variables system variables will go through them one by one. Uh, System time, this is the current time. All of these agents, if you don't give them some kind of external tool or variable in this case, almost any of them that you make will get lost. They'll trip up on what time it is. And that is very important when you're trying to book a calendar or have any kind of calls or connections related to time. Screws everything up. Okay, the next one, system caller ID. This is your phone number. You'd be surprised. The simple idea of a built-in variable that allows the agent to understand, oh, this is my phone number, and that it is dynamically assigned that the variable can pull from, doesn't exist. And as far as I know, the other platforms, I've never seen this. So maybe you need to assign multiple numbers. Some workflow happens behind the scenes or behind this, UI builder here in your prompt. This variable will pull that. And that'll depend on your telephone provider. I almost always use Twilio. Maybe I'll start reviewing and trying different um, telephony providers. I got a call today about that. I'll look at Five9 as a telephone provider, but Twilio is usually what's used there. But again, that matters because you can dynamically assign phone numbers, and the agent will just know it. You don't have to do anything else. And then the called number. This is the phone number you have called. Again, I haven't seen any other platform have these kind of variables where the agent is aware of its own number and the number that it called without you having to create custom variables and pass it into its prompt from data sources like a spreadsheet or a database or an API call or something like that. So I've added those three in there. It's very important for the agent to know what time it is, who it called, and what its own number is. I mean, you could just type in, this is your number, and that you can get away with that in probably smaller use cases and scenarios, but at scale, call centers, things like that, that becomes a problem. So this on the left here, this is the prompt. This is just a single prompt. 11 Labs, they don't have workflow prompts yet. I don't know if I'm completely sold on workflow prompts, but this is the just a simple prompt builder here. And down here you got all your different variables. And of course, when you go to add, you click add. Now, just this fact right here that you have a button that you can click add system prompts. That doesn't exist anywhere else. It's not clear in a lot of these other platform builders how to add prompts. To me, this is the simplest, best looking interface I've seen for a prompt for creating variables. And again, that's why we're talking about the video, reducing friction during a call. So what you could do with this agent, you could say, hey, I'm busy. Can you call me back in 30 minutes? And the agent doesn't have to ask any questions. It just does the call. It makes the connection and creates the callback or schedules whatever or makes whatever request. Or like in this agent, for example, hey, can you text me that calendar link? And then boom, it just texts it to the number that it has without having to ask, making the phone calls faster, which will save you money, and reducing friction. So that friction being, the agent having to constantly ask all this information that it should already have when it connects to the call, and so people stay on the phone longer. Over here on the right, these are the variables that 11 Labs ships with out of the box. They're all really good. Um, yeah, but again, those are my top three and why you should use them, and why I'm talking about 11 Labs. And so Again, the customer and the use case depends, and the platform that we build the agents on depend on their success criteria and what they're trying to achieve. I'm going to switch over my own personal calendar agent to 11 Labs because of these variables. And yeah, so if you're interested in using voice AI or any AI automations for that matter, and you want to learn how to do it, or you want us to do it for you, I'll put a link down in the description to the website and a phone number you can call, and you'll get a hold of my agent, my AI agent, and they'll pre-qualify you and see if we can move forward and work together. Little quick update on that. The company's getting busy. We've got quite a few customers, and we're growing the team. There's hopefully there's 3 of us now. We'll see how it works out. And yeah, so I just figured I would share this information, kind of what I'm learning on my journey here. Thanks for watching.